Hello, everybody, and welcome to this vending machine video. A lot of empty slots. Nowadays, I prefer to buy my Hot Wheels from the dump bin. Anyway, let's start. Rennen Rig, Volkswagen Beetle, the Snowstormer, in fair, fast, gassing, all. A lot of fantasy casting. The AC Cobra, another Rennen Rig, Fiat 500, Mercedes 123 wagon, which I will buy. Hummer EV 2, Bel Air Gasser in pink. Batmobile is behind. The Alfa Romeo AC Range Rover in beige, very nice, but I have already. Manga Tuner, Mazda Reipu, the Batmobile, 6 ringgit fantasy casting. Nothing interesting. Another Range Rover. In the premium, we have Batman and this Fast and Furious Chevy. So, in goes my money for number 17. Mercedes W123 wagon. And the car behind is a Shell Renault Kangoo. And another car behind is the Hot Wheels Subaru Impreza. Shell Kangoo is very nice, but there is no interior. Unlike this, we have interior. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.